Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to delete software or any related application installation in Mac operating system. It's very simple way to permanently delete any application in your Mac operating system. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is my desktop. And here one options are come finder. I click here, application menu are open, and then here one tab is available like application, and here several application available on I install my Mac operating system. And second one option launchpad, and you can see here many applications are available I already installed. Here I want delete some application, I install some app. Two types of application I install, one is App Store and one is a via software. Via website I am download the software and then install, and one application I install via App Store. I press the one application like my mouse, and then look at this. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 application I install via App Store. So that's why I can just, like, suppose for example I click here, and then you are sure you want delete this application GeoMeet, and just I delete this application. It's simple way, but rest of application I'm not able to delete on that platform or here. So how to delete those application? So open your finder and look at this. Here favorite tabs I already decided, like here one application tabs are there, and those application I install in my Mac operating system. So how to delete in a specific application? For example, I delete the VLC player, right click and move to bin. It's very simple, and this application going to recycle bin, and you can right click here and delete immediately, and you want delete immediately and permanent of this VLC player. So yeah, of course I want delete the VLC player and the permanently my Mac operating system. It's very simple. Two types applications are available, like one App Store and second one via installation and via downloading process. You can use these steps and delete any kind of application in your Mac operating system and clean your Mac. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.